Hello everyone. All right, I know I look like Santa's twin, but I promise you guys, I'm not Santa. I bring better car deals to you. Santa, however, he likes to bring all kinds of presents on the sleigh, and we've got some deals that are gonna fill that sleigh up for you guys. Let's start with a big gift that you could put under the tree for your family. We've got great loyalty rates, guys. 1% off all of our models, but the PHEV, we're gonna do a 1.5%. or a $1,000 rebate. This is savings that even Santa can't bring you. Plus, if you're looking at the Outlanders, there's a $1,000 tire rebate. Let's get those winter tires on the vehicle so you're safe out on the roads. And if you want to lease a vehicle, don't forget, everybody gets a prepaid maintenance plan with every lease. So no ho ho ho, but all kinds of savings when you come down to Fredericton Mitsubishi at 327 St. Mary's. It's on the north side. Best winter savings in town. Come on down and see us for the best deal.